Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to use a stock screener. To begin, understand that a stock screener is a powerful tool designed to help you navigate the vast stock market. It allows you to quickly filter through thousands of companies, identifying those that align with your specific investment strategy. By setting clear criteria upfront, you can save countless hours of research and focus on the most promising opportunities. This guide will walk you through the essential steps. Once you understand the basics, it's time to select your screening metrics. Key criteria include market capitalization, allowing you to target companies ranging from small cap to large cap. The price-to-earnings ratio is crucial for assessing valuation, helping you find potentially undervalued or overvalued stocks. For income-focused investors, dividend yield is a vital metric. Additionally, examine revenue growth and profit margins to gauge a company's financial health and growth potential. These metrics form the backbone of your search. To further refine your search, consider combining multiple financial ratios for a more precise selection. For instance, you might look for companies with a low price-to-earnings ratio but high revenue growth. Also, analyze specific industry sectors that align with your economic outlook or personal interests. Most screeners allow you to set minimum and maximum values for each metric, giving you granular control. Some advanced tools even incorporate technical indicators, such as the 50-day or 200-day moving averages, to help identify potential entry and exit points. After running your screener, you'll receive a list of stocks that match your criteria. Do not stop there. This is just the beginning. Review this list carefully, then select your top 5 to 10 candidates for more in-depth research. Dive into their latest company news, quarterly financial statements, and independent analyst reports to gain a comprehensive understanding. Remember, market conditions are dynamic, so regularly update and adjust your screening criteria to ensure your investment strategy remains relevant and effective over time.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.